Arlington's 550 series die-cast split grounding bushings deliver convenience and time savings, especially with installations in tight spaces. They're split to allow the addition of a bushing after conductors are installed in the conduit, and they ship fully assembled. Here's how they work. Loosen these side screws to allow the bushing to pivot around the installed cables. Or, if desired, take the fitting completely apart. The screw in the recess, or counterbore, remains engaged. It's the pivot that allows the hinge to open. Close the bushing on the conduit, retighten the side screws, and then the set screw. Available in a variety of trade sizes, Arlington's split grounding bushings are easy to install on threaded or unthreaded rigid or IMC. They're also compatible with 2.5 to 4-inch EMT and threaded electrical fittings. Save time with Arlington's 550 series split grounding bushings.